Hello, you want to see how I achieve this one pot fried rice keep washing? Hello. How are you guys doing? This is Lady B. I hope you guys are doing safe. In today's recipe, I'm going to be preparing one pot fried rice. So I added my butter, my onion, and I added my meat. I marinated my meat with salt, garlic, ginger, pepper, paprika, cinnamon, nutmeg, curry powder, turmeric. So I added it to my butter and I will allow it to fry until golden brown. So now it's golden brown. I'm going to take it out of the pot. Then I will sieve the oil and I'll put it back again to the pot, and I'll add my mixed vegetable. I have onion, carrot, mixed bell pepper, green pea. So I'll put it and allow it to cook just for 2 minutes. So this is exactly 2 minutes. I'm going to take it out of the pot. So these are the reasons why we save our meat stock. So I'll be adding my washed rice and I'll mix together. I tasted for salt, it needed salt, so I just sprinkled some salt. This meat stock is seasoned with all my spices, so you can see I didn't add any other spices. So I'll cover and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes. I will add in my meat, I will add my bay leaf, and I will add my mixed vegetable. So I will combine together thoroughly and I'll cover it on a low heat to simmer for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I turn off my heat. I added my sweet corn and my spring onion. So I will just combine thoroughly and cover it so that the heat can just give it a good support. So this is it, guys. My one pot fried rice is ready. If you have watched up to this time, thank you for watching. If you are new, please join the family by subscribing, turn on the notification bell. For those of you that always come to watch me, thank you. I really appreciate. So I'm going to serve myself while it is hot. I'm just going to garnish it with some cooked egg. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you